Welcome my dear students in the guidance class and e-learning class. Today, my dear class 10 students, today's class is dedicated to one of the very most important topic, that is height and distance. And this topic is very relevant to our day-to-day life. And I can say that if you have that basic concept, knowledge of basic concept of trigonometry, then height and distance, this topic is very easy for you. Now, the question of height and distance, all of the question that is given in the syllabus of class 10 is related to the interrelationship between sides and two acute angles of any one of the two acute angles of right triangles. Means the questions that we will deal with here, that the interrelationship between sides and acute angle of a right triangle. Question of height and distance are very easy. Out of 3 information, you have given 2 information. Then you have to find the third information. What are these 3 information? One of the acute angle you have given, and out of the 2 sides you have given one side, you have to find the third side. Or you have given both sides and you have to find the acute angle. Now in height and distance questions, 50%, or I can say more than 50% of the question you can solve, provided if you translate the statement correctly into correct figure. अगर आप height and distance का क्वेश्चन पढ़कर जो स्टेटमेंट के फॉर्म में है उसको आपने सही तरीके से फिगर के फॉर्म में उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया अपने नॉलेज और एक्सपीरियंस से, तो मैं कहूंगा कि आपने 50% से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन बना लिया। अब सवाल आता है, इसमें कुछ बेसिक टर्म्स होते हैं, उन टर्म्स को हम लोग थोड़ा सा जानेंगे, थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करेंगे। एक टर्म आपको मिलेगा बच्चों, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन। एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन, एलिवेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? नीचे से ऊपर उठना, उठना। एलिवेट माने नीचे से ऊपर उठना। तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन यू हैव गिवन अ फिजिकल बेस, you have given a physical base, or sometime you have to find draw the imaginary line, but the angle will be elevated from base towards the side of angle. वो नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ उठेगा। Is it clear? Then the second term you have given angle of depression. Depression माने नीचे जाना बच्चों, ठीक है ना? So here you have to take an imaginary line and the other side of the angle that falls downwards, तो नीचे की तरफ जाएगा। For example, suppose you are standing on your roof. You are standing on your roof. You have a device to measure the angle, and just in front of your house there is a straight road. You are seeing that one of your friend is coming on cycle or motorcycle, and he is standing somewhat at a distance from your building. Then when you measure the angle of depression, suppose you are standing here, you are standing at some height, आप एक height पर हैं यहाँ पर, and you can see one of your friend is here at this point. Then you are at this point, आप यहाँ पर हैं, you are on the top. So from here, if you watch the angle of depression, then this one is your imaginary line. ये क्या हो जाएगा आपके लिए? Imaginary line हो जाएगा। The angle of depression is falling downwards, angle of elevation is upward. Okay, यही दो टर्म आपको बेसिक टर्म मिलेंगे। In the beginning, suppose you are finding difficulty. Now we are discussing that you will find 2 types of angle. What I was saying, suppose in the beginning if you find difficulties to draw the figure according to the given statement, what you have to do? Simply draw a right triangle, and according to the given information, you write that the things which are that base or perpendicular or angle of elevation or angle of depression. So for that, let me take some practicals problem. I will start from question number. Okay, question number 1 से ही शुरू करता हूँ बच्चों, ठीक है ना? Exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1 NCERT. In this question you have given a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope to the ground level is 30 degree. Okay. Now suppose you are finding difficulty for question number 1. Okay. So we will draw a right triangle. A right triangle हम draw कर दिया. Name this one as A, B and C. Now coming back to the question. A circus artist is climbing on a rope which is fixed with the top of a pole, which is fixed with the top. आपने सर्कस में देखा होगा ना, ऐसे वो डंडा पकड़ कर ऐसे चलता है आर्टिस्ट, हाँ? So this is the rope. ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? Rope हो गया. And here is that artist, circus artist, who is climbing on this rope by holding a bamboo. So, and the angle of elevation with this rope, which is taut very tightly, tied very tightly, then it make an angle of 30 degree. It make an angle of 30 degree. One more information you have given. A circus artist is climbing on a 20-meter rope, and the length of this rope is given 20 meter. We have to find the height of the pole. In the beginning, what I have told you, that the question of height and distance is the interrelationship between the one acute angle and two sides of a right triangle. Out of these three, you have given the information of 2, and you have to find the third value. Is it clear? Here, if you go through this, the condition of the question, this is a right triangle because any pole is fixed on the ground at 90 degree. So it makes a 90 degree. In this 90 degree, you have given this acute triangle, and one side is given, and you have to find this side. So out of this 3, you have given the value of angle, that is 30 degree. Angle is equal to 30 degree. One side you have given 20 meter, then other side you have to find. Here you have to establish a relation between these two sides and angle with the T ratio, what you have studied in this topic in the trigonometrical chapter. So for the acute angle, any acute angle, right triangle, the opposite side of taken acute angle is always, very good, is always, जोर से बोलिए, always perpendicular. So this side is perpendicular and opposite side of 90 degree is always hypotenuse. So which T ratio has between perpendicular and hypotenuse? Sine or cosine? So we'll use the sine. So you write here from right triangle ABC, sine 30 degree is equal to P upon H. What is the P? You have assumed that let height of pole is equal to H. That is equal to H upon P. P is given as P upon H. H is given 20. Then sine 30. What is the value of sine 30 degree? 1 upon 2. So here we find the value of H. H is equal to 20 upon 2. That is equal to 10. So my dear students, this is your ideal distance question. बहुत tough नहीं है. थोड़ा सा आपको you have to go through your understanding and knowledge that till this topic you have practiced in trigonometry, and if you transform your practice, knowledge and experience, you find that height and distance questions is very easy. So now we will take one more question. Question number 2. In this question is given a tree break due to storm and the broken part bent to the top of the tree touches the ground making an angle of 30 degree. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top branches touch the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. Now, two information we have given. Okay. Now, suppose this my hand is a tree. My hand is a tree, and this is the ground. ये क्या हो गया हमारा ground हो गया. कोई एक बच्चा इधर आ जाओ. इधर आ जाओ. This is the ground. My hand from here. This is the base. ये जमीन हो गया. इधर आओ. हाथ ऐसे करो बेटा. ऐसे. What is your name? Ayan. Ayan. This Ayan hand is represent the level of the ground, and my hand represent the tree. What happened? Very huge storm blown, and this is one branch of a tree, main branch of the tree. This branch broken from this point. यहाँ से क्या हुआ? टूटा. But पूरी तरह नहीं टूटा. It is still attached with the ground. Then the top. This is the top of the ground. My finger is the top of the ground. Then from this point it has broken and start falling. It start falling and it touch the ground at some distance 8 meters from the foot of the or root of the tree. So what angle is made? ये कौन सा angle बना बच्चों? Right angle triangle. Then this distance is 8 meters. This distance is 8 meters, and this angle we have given 30 degree. Then you have to find the height of the tree. The height of the tree means you have to find this perpendicular and this hypotenuse, because this is 90 degree. By finding the value of perpendicular and hypotenuse, then we add and you can find the value of the height of the tree. Understood? Now I am going to, thank you Anne. Now I am going to represent this question on the blackboard after activity. Suppose this is the height of the tree. A is the level of ground. C is the top of the ground. At B, from this point B, because of the storm, the branch of this tree has broken but not completely detached. Then the top of the ground start falling. यहाँ से वो गिरना शुरू हुआ. Okay, and this top touch the ground at point D, which means this BD is equal to BC, and this, when this top touch the ground, it makes an angle of 30 degree at a distance of 8 meters from the base of the tree, from the root of the tree. And what we have to calculate? We have to find the height of the tree. Now, here, height of tree is equal to AC. This AC is equal to AB plus BC. Now, this BC is equal to BD. BC is equal to BD. So the height of the tree is equal to AB plus BD, and AB and BD are the sides of right triangle. Sides of right triangle. In this right triangle, we have given one angle, value of one angle and one base. Then for this question, you have to find the value of two sides. Which are the two sides? Perpendicular and the hypotenuse. Which value have given with respect to this acute triangle? We have given the value of base. We have given the value of base. So which T ratio has a relation between perpendicular and base? Tan. So what do you write here? From right triangle back. Okay. Tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to P upon B. What is the P?
AB.
AB. What is the B?
AB.
B is equal to 8 meter base. The value of tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. So here AB is equal to 8 upon root 3 meter. Okay. Now rationalize this one. That is equal to root 3 upon root 3. That is equal to 8 root 3 upon 3 meter. Now one more. Once more. Here we have given now B or P, both value have got. So what is the relation between this B and H? Cos. Or say both are correct. So cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is equal to B upon H. What is the B? 8. And H is equal to B. Cos 30 degree is equal to? Very good. Root 3 upon 2. So here BD is equal to 8 to the 16 upon root 3. Again rationalize this one. Root 3 upon root 3. That is equal to 16 root 3 upon 3 meter. So height of tree is equal to AB plus BD. Okay. AB is equal to 8 root 3 upon 3 plus 16 root 3 upon 3. 8 root 3 plus 16 root 3. 24 root 3. 24 root 3 upon 3. That is equal to 8 root 3 meters. So this is the height of the tree, or this is your answer. Okay. So my dear students, please note it down. In my next video, I will take some doubts or some more complicated questions related to height and distance. Okay. And please do complete this work in your only in maths copy. Till then, all the best. God bless you.